Bonjour la classe. In this video, I want to discuss with you our day-to-day calendar. As I told you in our first video, when I was discussing our syllabus, your assignments are due on the day shown on your calendar. Okay? All of your assignments are available now at the beginning of the course, so you can finish the course as quickly as you'd like. Students are required to work a minimum of 3 days ahead to prepare for unforeseen circumstances, so please do not procrastinate. To complete these activities, this is my suggestion for you. You should read the textbook section for the day. Then you need to watch the videos on your textbook. You need to listen to the audios that are included in the assigned reading. Then you need to watch the videos that I have created for you on eCampus. And on my next video, I will go over eCampus, our eCampus shell. And finally, I have also some recommended YouTube videos that can help you. Once you have gone over the textbook, read the textbook pages, once you have watched the videos on your textbook, you have watched my videos, and you have watched the recommended YouTube videos, you are ready to start the activities and to be successful in completing them. So, like I told you on our previous video, MindTap has a 2-day grace period on all of your activities. No late work is accepted beyond this grace period. The tests have no grace period. They are due on the date that is shown on the calendar, on this calendar right here. And on our calendar, the assignments in yellow, these assignments, you can find them on MindTap. What you see in blue, these are the assignments that you will find on eCampus. So read syllabus and watch orientation videos. I put this in blue because those video links, you can find them on eCampus. Yeah. So what are your assignments for March 22nd, tomorrow? You need to read the syllabus and watch the videos that you're watching right now. You need to create a MindTap account, or if you already have one, you need to log back in. And you need to complete the assignments for the preliminary chapter, Competence 1. Each chapter on our textbook is divided into 4 competence. Competence 1, you see Tuesday. Competence 2, that's Thursday. Competence 3, that's Saturday. And competence 4, that's Tuesday. So each chapter is divided into 4 lessons. Competence 1, competence 2, competence 3, and competence 4. So when you complete a unit, what you will do is you will complete 4 days worth of assignments with different topics. And at the end of those 4 lessons, you will have a chapter exam. So look at March. Competence 1 for chapitre préliminaire. Competence 2, that's Thursday. Competence 3, that's Saturday. And preliminary chapter competence 4, that's Tuesday, March 29th. And then on March 31st, you will have your first exam. All of this is happening on MindTap. And then you have this blue assignment in English, which is your first culture discussion. Okay? And if you continue to see your day-to-day calendar, you will see there are some days, especially on Saturdays, your assignments are due on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Especially on Saturdays, you have a little bit more work than on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So on this Saturday, you have 2 competencies, 2 lessons to complete. And on April 9th, we will schedule our first speaking test. That's when we will decide when we're going to meet. And then the Saturday after, we will actually meet via Teams and have our first oral test, our first speaking test. April the 16th, you also have the second culture discussion due. As you can see, it's all chapter 2, competence 1, competence 2, competence 3, competence 4, exam. And it repeats. It repeats until chapter 4. For April the 23rd, this is when we will schedule our speaking test number 2. And on April the 30th, we will have our speaking test number 2. That's where we will actually meet via Teams. Your audiovisual presentation will be due on the 23rd of April. And I will give you plenty of instructions before then. So I will be reminding you. The last day to drop the class is April the 27th. I believe that's a Wednesday. And remember that it is your sole responsibility to do so. But I thought that it would be important to let you know that April the 27th is the last day to drop. And you have some compositions here. Composition 1 is due on April 12th, and May 3rd, that's composition number 2. And those, because they are in blue, they are submitted on eCampus. Our last day, the last day of class, is on May 10th, and that day you have your chapter 4 exam, which is your final exam, and that would be the end of our course. So all of these assignments are already set up on eCampus and on MindTap for you to complete. So you can go to MindTap and eCampus right now and complete them. On the next video, I will look at MindTap and eCampus and show you how to get to your assignments. Okay? If you have any questions, make sure to let me know. See you on the next video.